friends. My name is Beauty Kumari. Today we are sitting here because we will debate about business and job. We are two groups. My group will tell about job, and my opposite group they will tell about business. Since I am in the favor of job, then according to me, job is more better than business, because in job you can get fixed money from government for, or if that type of situation doesn't happen in business, because you know, in business, first and foremost you will have to create your business. After that you can success in your business, then after you can achieve money. That's why it's not good.
Yes, but according to me, business is much better than a job, because you are saying about that in business you need lots of money. But I think that it is totally wrong. If you talk about our BHI wala, he had start their business only for 8,000 rupees, and it is not more money. Then and nowadays his net worth is 3.4 crore. What to say about that?
You know, it's every poor people doesn't improve with their business, because first and foremost they will have
But
to
I am
money,
not
after
saying-
that they can increase na.
Not I am saying only for one example, many example this type of, as like we can say about of our Dhiru Bhai Ambani. He had start their business only for 15,000 rupees,
And it's not more much money.
no, only for 15,000. It is more much. And
Why
nowadays,
not? Because
nowadays,
if
nowadays
a poor
his,
person,
nowadays his son is handling their own business, and their net worth is nowadays as like seven seven 765 lakh.
Okay, you are saying about you can do
No, crore, sorry.
you can do business in a low amount, but you know, you have you need brilliant mind. After that you can what start any business in low amount. And according to me, why job is good? Because in job you have to work only 8 hours, and in business you have to work whole day, night, and every week. But every week, and you can't be, and you won't be able to give time to your parents and family. That's why business is not good, because all time you are busy, and business is busy work.
Job this type case not happen.
No.
Doesn't happen.
No, because in job you have to do
Fixed.
only 8 hours job, and it is fixed. 8 to 10 hour it is fixed.
If you do work in as like private sector, at that time you will have to give extra time. Okay, and for
how much extra
and,
time? Only
as
2
like
and 3.
Yes.
Only and 3.
four,
Only
yes.
and 3
Then-
hours. 2 and 3 hours.
And not every time, not
Yes.
every time.
Yeah, or
only
in-
for 1 and 2 days. When job was job is
What?
so much. When job is so much, at that time you will have to give more time.
Yes, even then your time is already fixed.
And you had said that you can give your time in your family, but what to say about of your youth age? At that time you will have to prepare as like 12 hours, 16 hours continue on 2-3 years. What to say about that? After that you can achieve a job.
Yes, of course.
Without preparing, how can you achieve?
At that time they haven't family load na, because at
Yes.
that time their parents handling that type of situation. Okay.
And that is student life. And student
Yes.
life, every student is busy in their student life.
But in student life, we have all more problem, because in this time, if you ask with any student, then he will tell that no, my families say that you have to do any part-time job as well as you should read.
After completing
And
their 12th
listen to
class
me,
and
and
10th class, that
listen to
type
me,
of
please listen
situation
to me.
happening.
If you want to be as you want to be a name, fame, and prosperity,
Yes.
then you will have to give lots of time any work. If you want to make one history, okay, that's why you will have to give. And what is the need only for you work in 8 hours, and no anyone is knowing about you?
How
Then
can you
what
say
is
that?
the
How
benefit?
can you say that many person knows about yourself? You know, because in
How much
in
percent-
government
how much
job,
percent?
in government job also you can achieve name, fame, and prosperity also. Okay, only first and foremost you will have to work 5 year continue. After that you can achieve a best job. Then after you can achieve more more what
And
reputation as well.
it is fixed also.
Yes, of course it's
It
fixed.
is
Or
fixed
you know,
also for 60 years.
if you do government job and at that time government provides lots of facility. As example, hospital facilities, loan facilities, or schools of facility. Many types of facility they give.
And what to say about of as like paper leak? Nowadays it is going on very fastly. Many students are preparing for a government job. They go that side for exam, and then after giving exam they know that no, my paper has been leaked. What to say about
Only
that?
rare case, not every
It
time.
is not rare
It
case.
is
It
happening
How
every time.
how much time you saw?
as like 14-15 times according to media. They had told about that 14 time 15 time it's happened. And what to say about that?
Then what's fall in it? What is related in business? That thing.
You are saying that by the help of job you can achieve anything.
Yes, of course.
Nowadays nowadays in our India approx 140 crore what population, and maximum students are preparing, and for one job 100 students are participate for their job. In this sector many as like many competition. That's why I am saying this thing.
So it's happening, not more cases. Only some cases they are happening. Then what's problem?
Even then students are preparing for job. They don't prepare for business, because in business
First, may you tell that why are we giving more priority to government job?
Because
it is fixed.
Yes,
it
that's
is
why.
fixed job. If you achieve any job, then it is fixed job for 60.
I think that we should think about ourselves. Due to that reason, by the help of government exam, many students are dying day by day.
And businessman has also many types of depression, anxiety.
Yes.
They have also many types of problems.
Because anytime their
Yes,
businesses
they
get
think.
lost at the time they will
It's some
take
people.
bad
I think that it is depend on you. That
so it's also
how
depend
much
on
amount,
that person.
how much you have knowledge. How can you increase your business? It is depend on you. Which person are interest in taking interest in government job? They have no knowledge. That person they are taking interest. Okay. If any person have a knowledge, then he can't go that side.
Okay, it was a very good point, but I have another point. So we are talking about business. So I think that there is one business like a grocery shop in an online market. It is so growing business. So if you want to earn more than money, then I think you should many more persons should use this type of business, because it is very big business. Because
But
in a
you know-
online, if you want to you can save your time as well as you can save your money, because that thing is very low price. And
First and foremost you will have to engrossed in that your business. After that you can develop after that you can increase your business. First and foremost you will have to give more time. Every business you can do, then they will take more time.
Yes,
And
I
you
know,
will you will have
every
to add
business-
people also. And if you haven't any idea how to add people, then how will you add people and how will you earn money?
Okay, she was saying that first and foremost you will have to give lots of time. After that you can increase your business. Like same thing is about job. Because if you want to take any types of job, then you will have to do lots of you will have to give your 100%, and anytime you have to do your work. Like in any exam you will have to give your 100%. After
Later
that-
sometimes I
after
said that
you
na.
can achieve your exam now.
Later
Then you will
some-
take any job.
Listen, later sometimes I said that na, in job you will give your only what 3 year 4 year approx that is situation.
But
That's
in-
the time. But
in 3 or
in
4
business
years,
every time you
face
will have
lots
to
of
risk.
problem now.
What?
In
No,
3
no.
years, 4 years.
At that time, what? It's only they will give time in your study. You know, in you will business every time you will have to headache because you have lots of work and your every time your mind is loaded in work
But
works.
it is modern period, and in this time everything is so expensive. If you want to read, I mean, if you want to study in this time, then you will have to pay lots of money. Like in any institute, like you want to crack an exam like SSC, UPSC, this type of exam, you will have
But
to give.
less than
What do you mean to say? No, nobody study? Nobody
No.
will study.
Nobody. I am saying that if you want to study, then she was saying about business, that in a business you will have to give your 100%. Then in a job you will have to also give your 100%. Now.
She was saying about that business. In business, you will give to 100% and you will have to pay lots of money also.
But in a few money you can start your business and you can increase your business.
Not every business, only minimum business like tea stall, momo stall. At that type of business, you can you
How
can
can you
do.
say
you want
How
to
can-
do you
do
want
you know about
to
of-
create big
Have you
business
had
at
name
that
about
time,
of
what
Alak
will you
Pandey
do?
sir?
What?
Have you had name
Yes,
about of Alak
yes,
Pandey sir?
yes, I
Nowadays, his net worth is very high. How is this possible? Only for you are saying that momos and tea store. How is it? Do you know about of
No,
Chai
she is
Sutawar
saying
owner
that
name?
type of thing is small business, not big.
What is this small business?
Tea stall, momos.
Tea stall,
This
yes,
is she
tea
was
stall
saying
and
that type
momos.
of thing.
Obviously.
Obviously.
Even then they are success in their life.
But actually they will give
And you
more
know-
time. Now what I am
and you
saying,
know-
I am saying that
listen to
actually
me.
they will give,
And you
they
know-
will take more time. I'm that type of thing I am saying.
In business,
Yes.
you will have to
Business.
give more
Yes.
time.
And first you will have to
What is
you
the-
will have to take more risk.
That's why I
than
said
that.
no. What is the problem?
It's problem no, because
What is problem?
if you know if you need money and your business can't be grow at the time, what will you do? You haven't money because all money you have to invest your business. Then what at the time what will you do if you have need to money?
It is sure that if I will invest my money, then it is sure that I can earn anything and few money also in regularly. How can you say that I have no any money? Which type of business I will open?
Even then, you have headache
Yes.
because you have lost your money.
And I want to say one thing, that why people do want to go government sector, you know, because they know that in government sector less than stress. After going that sector, they become a corruption people. That's
Yani
why
you
they
can
want
say
to
that
go.
every people are
Okay.
corrupted.
In government sector, every people. I am not blaming to our soldier. I am saying about of our block people, DC, SP, in our state area. I am not saying about of our soldier.
But you know, if they will do government job at the time, in any accidental case, they will unfortunately happen. At the time, government helps their family. At this type of situation not happening in business. Are you
What
getting
I-
my point?
Yes, yes. What I saying that if any case will be happen at that time, government helps to poor people.
Yeah.
You are saying this thing.
Not poor people, not
Then-
in any soldier or any government employee. They will give work in government
They will
sector.
help, yes.
Yes, at them in on spot. In any accidental case, they will die. Then government helps their family. This type of situation doesn't happening in business.
I
Yes,
was-
businessmen are always
I
selfish.
was saying another thing. Okay, and you are saying another thing.
Because I have another point. That's why I am saying what fall is in it.
Not fault, but
According to me, job is good because in job many types of people they have dream to become IPS, IAS, and income tax officer, etc. And businessmen, they haven't any dream. And you know, if in job the money is fixed and you will free mind in your job. But if you are a businessman, then you have lots of problem, you have lots of anxiety and depression also.
Okay, I'm agree that you are saying about businessmen that they have lots of depression. Then you are saying right. But I have one point that you are saying that their payment is fixed, but in a businessman, they have lots of money because every time he can increase her money and decrease also. It is depend on a businessman, but in a job sector, they also depend on their sir, boss. Boss, I have to take 2 days leave. Anytime, if he want to take leave, then they have to say approx 1 week after that he take
Then you
leave.
don't know, in government sector there is many types of facility available.
Which types of
They provides hospital facilities, home facilities, and holidays also.
But I am saying about this because suppose any incident happen suddenly, then at the time you want to take leave, then your boss will say no, I won't give you leave because in this time our work is very growing on, so you shouldn't take leave. So at the time what will you do? But in a
No,
business,
you are saying about leave, then they will give you leave. If you have any accident case, then at that time they will give you holiday. And you know, you are saying about business, then in business you will earn lots of money. Then first you have to invest lots of money, and you need lots of people.
In a some
You have to
few money
need
you
lots
can
of
start
people.
a
After that
business.
you can start your business.
No, you aren't saying right because if you
In
want
minimum case,
listen,
in
listen.
minimum case.
What minimum case? You can increase now after few money. You can start your business and you can increase your business because it's totally depend on you. But in a job sector, if you want to increase your money, then first and foremost you will have to do some good work. Like you have to take promotion. After that, you can increase your money because
Okay.
it's depend on your boss.
Okay, you are saying about you need a promotion. After that, you can earn money. You know, how much price of teachers, how much salary of teachers, government teachers. You know,
I don't know, but it's totally depend on their elders.
What sector? I didn't understand. Please explain.
Like principal, until he don't say that I will increase your money, till then you can't increase your money. But
No,
in a
no,
business
no,
sector-
you are saying wrong because you know in government sector their salary is fixed.
Their
Not
salary
need
is
not
fixed by
need to
government,
increase
not
your
principal,
yes,
yes.
not need to increase your
That's why I'm
salary.
saying that in a job sector your salary is fixed, but in a business sector
And-
it is not fixed.
And both
because
of you are saying
anytime-
about of government job, okay? And how much our government is providing vacancy?
Every everywhere every year they
provide.
provides lots of vacancy.
Lots of vacancy.
In this time also you can see the 80,000 vacancy they provides.
Only
they
for
provide.
how much student has filled this type form?
It doesn't matter because
It's- what is
maximum
the-
time
May you tell
take off now.
may you tell who is the founder of private job?
No, I don't know. I have no clue about this.
Also businessman. As like we can say about of Alak Pandey sir, he has given opportunity to our teacher, means that our youth person. In that sector, approx 25,000 teacher are working that side. Then what to say about that?
I have no clue.
Then business is good now. Only for not one person. As like we can say about of Rakesh Yadav sir,
okay,
Khan.
I will start
you are
with-
saying about business. Then if everybody do business, then what another people do? What another people will do, like many types.
And how will you-
There is available many types of job like engineering, doctor, teachers, and soldiers also. If everybody want to do only business, then what about to say about this type of thing?
Which type of thing?
Who
She
will,
was
who,
saying
will-
now.
who will become doctor, engineer, and soldiers and teachers?
Also our
If
youth person.
everybody will do, everybody want
And
to do.
I think that nowadays businessman is playing important role in our youth for youth people in their life. They are giving more
But they
opportunity.
haven't fixed they don't provide a fixed job because at every time they want to take out in business at a time they will what
Remove.
yes they will remove
Why?
because they thought.
If you do work properly, then how can he remove you?
But you know, in this time, governments make railway in private, converted government to private. Why? Because you know, government said that every person have to give chance. That's why.
And he is giving this type of things as like a businessman.
Yes.
Then business is good.
No, I think it's not good because only 1 and 2 year, approx 3 and 4 year they will do job. After that, they can be removed. It's not good now.
Okay, and you are saying about Alak Pandey, then they provide many types of
job,
teachers to teachers. If children don't study, then how will they earn money? Because children are studying because of taking job, and if
Yes.
they don't study, then how will they earn money? They also depend on what students.
Only for they want to take a job. That's why students are preparing
Yes.
exam.
Yes, obviously, Alak Pandey teaches what types of
NEET.
NEET, yes, NEET and JEE also.
J-Mans.
Yes. So if children don't interest on reading, then how will they earn money if they don't pay money?
Yes, they are waiting for students.
Yes.
After that, they can improve your business.
Only for one source, that only for teacher. As like you
I'm
you
not
can
saying
you
because
can
you are saying about teacher
okay,
like that's why
listen
I'm
to me.
saying.
Okay, and at that place you can grow vegetable. You know about of Khemaraj Chaudhary.
No.
uh, he lives in as like Rajasthan, and nowadays he has lots of money. He had start their own business as like farming.
Okay.
First, our government has provided a scholarship. That's why he had gone to Israel for reading, for studying. Okay, and nowadays he has lots of money.
Okay, you are saying about farming.
Yes.
But everybody needs technology about farming. If they haven't any idea about farming, then how they will earn money?
And how they will
yes,
grow
in
your-
pleasure people they also do farming.
Yes, they also depend. They also
also
depend
depend
on government because you know they will provide lots of things and lots of in this time lots of machines also available and many clever student as well as teacher they will growing their business because they will provide many types of idea how to grow your business and how to grow your
Villager-
agriculture.
You are
Okay,
saying that
and
villager,
no,
means
you are
that
saying
villager
about-
people are also doing in business.
Yes, they are also doing business, and
Yes.
you are saying about that person that is a rich person by the help of farming. Then why blazer people are poor?
What?
Why blazer people are poor? They also depends on farming. Then they can be also rich now.
You didn't understand.
You didn't understand. What is the name of that people? You
Khemaraj
said
Chaudhary.
yes, Khemaraj Chaudhary. He is the richest person because of farming.
Yes.
You are saying because of farming he is rich. Then in place people they are also doing farming. Then why they are poor?
And
So according to me, business is better than job because in a business you can increase your business because it's depend on you. But in a job, it's totally depend your boss. But if you are doing business, then you can increase your business and you can decrease also. So it's totally depend on you. That's why
Ultimately, I want to share.
Tele control. Yes.
Ultimately, I want to share my personal opinion that it's up you in which sector are you interested. The biggest purpose of every profession is to earn money, happiness and satisfaction. That's why both of works are good in their sector. Thank you.